Hi guys, how are you? What are you doing?
Oh, Aku Maga,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
what are you doing? Hey, are you vlogging with my camera? What the hell?
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Man of Mysore. Thank you very much for showing so much of love towards my desert video and Nandi Hills. It's just amazing. And I'm here today in Chikmagalur, which is close to my heart and gives me so much of freshness just because of the nature. As you all know, I love nature, and when I say nature, it has to be full with the entire green forest. I'm in the middle of a coffee estate This is really a beautiful one. I am enjoying the way the weather has turned out to be. It's drizzling, but still it's not that very cold. It's not raining as hell that we could not move around or we could not make anything out of it. It's very cool, very calm. It's morning 11 a.m. at the moment, but it's already looking like evening when it's like a foggy or a early morning foggy weather. This is where we are staying at the moment. This is a small room. Of course, it's a very big room. So this is the place where we are here, and behind me you can see there is a big villa sort of a home. ಈ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಪಾವನ ಗಂಗಾ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಚೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ referred by my cousin. So he was here and he did post some photos which I really loved. The first thing what I saw was a swimming pool there near to the room, which I always like. Of course ee weather alli swimming pool alli iliyadu tumba kashta ide, but what I heard is here the swimming pool is quite different. I would definitely dive into a swimming pool in some time now, but then ee swimming pool alli it's a natural water which is coming in here. The natural water would be so cold but yet so refreshing. So I don't think so you'll have this sort of an experience anywhere else. No, I'll dive deep into the swimming pool. And apart from that, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೂಮು, ತುಂಬ ನೀಟಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And at the same time very natural it is. So there's nothing artificial about it. They have done an amazing work. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ pretty sure there would be positives and there would be negatives. So I would keep you informed. Stay tuned for it. And as of now, ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಆರ್ಸೋಣ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ. How are you? What are you doing?
Haku maga,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
what are you doing? Hey, are you vlogging with my camera? What the hell? He is vlogging in my camera, man. Guys, these are my friends occupying a seat in the safari ride. Well, he is Shrikant. I am pretty sure you guys know him, Kuchiku Dost, and this is Rich Kid and Lieutenant Colonel of our team, Firoz.
Hi. Firoz.
Hi, hi.
Alright guys, so let's check out the safari ride now. Alright guys, so it's day 3. Good morning to you all, and it was amazing for 2 days. We have been here for Saturday and Sunday. We are checking out on Monday and we got to head back to Bangalore now. Depressing stuff, but yet, well, we are actually about to start from now on, and let me tell you about this homestay which I was talking about. So this homestay is pretty neat to stay, and the interiors and the exteriors are just amazing. It's quite comfortable too, being here. The only issue what we found is about the food. The food here needs to alter a bit. We are here in Malnadu and we don't see any sort of a Malnadu style food, which has to be here because that's mandatory. When we come to Malnadu, we need to have those Malnad style food, and here what we see is North Indians preparing food here, which is not a quite common stuff in this particular homestay. And also the cleanliness part, because if you see here behind me, there are some of the cleanliness which they need to take care of. Apart from that, it's pretty good. It's pretty good to stay here, relax, because it's in the middle of the whole estate. It's a thick forest and estate here, so it's amazing. Illi bandu relax ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So yeah, food ಒಂದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So I guess the homestay owner would be listening to it, and he would do the needful for the next time when we come here. So having said all that, thank you very much for watching, and talk to you guys on the next one.